Hi, my name is Chef Sean, and I'm the executive chef at the Shanty in Warwick. And today on Small Bites, we're going to be making braised pork spare ribs with a bourbon ginger glaze. This is going to be different than other rib recipes because it's a wet cooking process and not entirely a dry cooking process, like putting it straight on the grill. You are going to set yourself up for success later. So if you do the work today, tomorrow it will be easier. With this, you're usually used to seeing baby back ribs in the supermarket. This is a slightly different cut. It's from the belly of the animal, not from the back. You're probably going to be used to seeing it already portioned out into spare ribs, but I'm going to show you the process of cooking it, then portioning it. This is a cheaper, more economical way that I think is more flavorful to still have ribs. People are used to having ribs that are dry or tough, cooked at home, and this is going to be a simple, quick, easy way to make them tender, juicy, and flavorful. A lot of times people think you always have to peel ginger. Depending on the application, you don't necessarily have to. Today I'm just going to be slicing it, putting it in the braising liquid. We can fish it out whole afterwards. That way you still get the flavorfulness, but you don't get any of the stringy toughness in the finished product. Very important thing though is also removing the liquid from the pan or removing the meat from the pan with the liquid, because otherwise it will turn into gelatin. On the second day, after you've cooled the ribs, really all you have to do is heat up the glazing liquid and then pour it on top, wrap it in foil, put it back in the oven, and it'll come out great.